The next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 66, verse 8.
Our Lord, perfect for us our light and forgive us. Indeed, you are over all things competent.
It is important to understand that whoever desires a guiding light in the hereafter must obtain it in this world, by obeying Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and being patient with destiny. This light will guide a Muslim to choosing the lawful path, in a choice between the lawful and unlawful, and it will guide them to the superior path, in cases where one faces two lawful options. Therefore, this guiding light aids one in every possible situation. As Muslims are not perfect, they are bound to make mistakes, but the one who adheres to this attitude will be forgiven any mistakes they have made. They will be erased in such a way that it will appear as if they did not commit a sin. In fact, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Sunnah, Ibn Majah, number 4250, that the one who sincerely repents from a sin is like the one who did not sin. A guiding light from Allah, the Exalted, and obtaining His forgiveness are two elements required for one to achieve success in both worlds, and in both religious and worldly matters. Both of them are only obtained through adopting piety, which in turn is only achieved through the sincere obedience to Allah, the Exalted. Those who fail to obtain this light in this world will be left wandering blindly in darkness in both worlds. But the one who obeys Allah, the Exalted, will be granted a light which guides them through every difficulty in this world successfully, and will guide them in the hereafter to paradise.